That's all crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Bitcoin Cash. Now, right from my previous video, I've been making a note of that Bitcoin Cash is actually like it was giving this bullish momentum, though it has not broken above the resistance we've been expecting to break from. That is the reason why I haven't made any video on Bitcoin Cash, because left to me, Bitcoin Cash has been consolidating. Yes, Bitcoin Cash has been consolidating. So if I can take all this away to make this very clear for us on what I mean by Bitcoin Cash being consolidating all this while, you could see right here that in my previous video I said it that this is the resistance we need to break above, and ever since then we haven't broken above it. We have been consolidating within that range. You could see all the way from this, bouncing from this resistance all the way to this support, bouncing to this resistance after this fake out all the way to this support. Now we are coming to this resistance once more, which is the $427 range. So it is possible that okay, you could trade within this range, but obviously that is not why you are here. You are here to know if we are going to be breaking above this resistance or not. Now, with the look of things, you could see right here that first things foremost, moving to the weekly time frame, I think I was able to move to the weekly. Yes, from the weekly time frame, you could see that the volume around this area right here, if you look at the volume, the volume has been normal. Nothing much has been going on with the volume. That's why you'll be seeing a lot of spikes here and there compared to the volume during this period. You could see the volumes here show that there is a lot of activity going on with Bitcoin Cash. There's a lot of volume coming in and all what's not, so there is a lot of money going into Bitcoin Cash. But for now, the volume is pretty low. The volume is very low, left to say for me. But it still doesn't change that fact that Bitcoin Cash doesn't have potential to move to the upside. There's every possibility for Bitcoin Cash to pump to the. Sorry that I'm doing this while I'm making this video. I'm very sorry. I'm just trying to find yeah. So without wasting much of our time right here, Bitcoin Cash is doing very well, but the only thing I have to say is it's consolidating, and consolidation is not what we need right now. Trading, yes, you can definitely trade in futures within this in between. You can probably trade this in between, but what we are definitely expecting for Bitcoin Cash to do is a breakout, either a breakout from to the upside. We need to break above this level right here, which is the $427 level. We need to break above it, get the retest, and we can rally much high to you could see where I drew this trend line right here, all the way to what price level is that? I think it's $540 level. We need to get to that level, or we break down below this support. We break below support and get the retest and drop all the way down to $328. So we should either be expecting any of these moves on Bitcoin Cash as soon as possible. So the fact that I haven't made any video on Bitcoin Cash is just the fact that Bitcoin Cash is still consolidating. It is still consolidating, so there is nothing much for me to come here to tell you guys. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, subscribe, subscribe, turn on post notification, and share this video with your friends. Also turn on the post notification so you miss out any of my videos. Yep, I'll be doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, so please do subscribe if you think you're going to be the lucky winner when I hit 500 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching. If you trade, I look for platforms to trade. Links are down below: Gate.io, Bybit, and Weex. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.